The Zhijie R7 features a new Aurora Green exterior color scheme, featuring a 3-layer pearlescent paint finish. The Obsidian package is also available. The new brand logo has been replaced with teardrop-shaped headlights, which are now integrated with a 170-star reflective light strip integrated into the LED light strip. The air vents on both sides have smoother lines, and a new foot-operated power tailgate has been added. It features a contrasting Roland Purple and Apricot interior, finished in Ningguang Fritillary finish. It features an improved 16.1-inch 3K floating central control display and a new steering wheel logo. The driver and front passenger seats feature dual zero-gravity seats, while the rear seats feature ventilation, heating, and massage functions. In terms of smart configuration, it is equipped with Huawei's ADS-4 assisted driving system and comes standard with a 192-line laser radar, a high-precision solid-state laser radar, 5 4D millimeter-wave radars, and a smart driving blue light. It is powered by an 800V high-voltage platform. The single-motor rear-wheel drive version has a maximum power of 215 kilowatts, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive version produces a total power of 365 kilowatts. The extended range version utilizes a 1.5T range extender with a thermal efficiency of 44.5%. It is also equipped with a starring diffuser, an electronic handheld gear lever, dual 50W mobile phone wireless fast charging, an 8.2L smart heating and cooling refrigerator, a 540 degrees panoramic camera, a panoramic sunroof with an electric sunshade, and more.